back to the shop and welcome back to the channel. We're gonna probably get out of here today because the 97 Type R is still in the box. If you remember a few episodes back, we loaded it up and it's still in the trailer. The truck is out there running right now. We're gonna take it over and get an alignment. Shane's car in here needing the windshield, Buddha's car over there needing the brakes, and the K20 CRX that just needs attention. For today, we're gonna get out of here and take the Type R over to get an alignment and then get the oil change. You guys get to cruise with us on this one. Pulling into Wilmington Tire and Auto, and we are going to get the Type R out of the box and into their shop so they can get it all straightened up in a line. We're gonna run inside and see my man Steve. He's gonna hook it up. Getting it straightened up. Now this is all aligned, we're gonna take it over to W.O.L.F and get the oil change. All strapped in and tightened down. Just pull into W.O.L.F up here, and they're gonna take care of the oil change on the Type R for us. Got her strapped back down. Now she's got in a good alignment. Got the oil change with some good Mobil 1 in there. Boys up at W.O.L.F, Wilmington Oil, Lube, and Filter have hooked it up. I think I'm gonna buy some wheels from Angel in here for my CRX. It's off at paint. Angel just had some wheels redone for his CRX and he's getting ready to sell it. His are almost perfect with brand new center caps. So I'm gonna make that deal with him to get those good wheels for my CRX for when it comes back from a paint shop. Got all 4 center caps off and they were brand new. Angel bought these brand new, so they're in perfect shape, new from Honda. So that's a real good score right there, man. Way to go, Angel. Thanks, man. We're kind of sort of trading wheels and he's getting back my center caps. This is probably the worst one. But the other ones aren't that bad. I mean, they're okay, and they are OEM, and these are the other OEM wheels that he's getting to put onto this car because it's for sale. Seems like he did it really easy, right? It tells you on the inside, but if you didn't know, the H goes down to the valve stem, so that's how to put them on super easy and not really have to worry about them cracking. Most of them are broken because people put them in wrong. See the little bottom right there? This little bottom? If you do that and you point that down at the valve stem, yeah, then the H is down like it's supposed to. Then it goes in there like it should, and it doesn't break. Special thanks to Wilmington Oil, Lube, and Filter. They hooked us up. Dude, thanks so much, Shane, for getting that done. And thanks so much, Angel, for those wheels, because it's going to make the car perfect. just getting back to the shop and the weather's kind of taking a turn for the worse. It's gotten really cold and it started raining outside, so I'm just gonna leave the Type R in the box, but it did get the oil change and it does have an alignment, so it's pretty much set up, ready to go back to the owner. Get the headlights looking a little bit clearer. Just pop those center caps in because we do have those. I know a couple people are asking where are the center caps. We do have the center caps and they are H's, and I'll be putting those in before I send it back to the owner. We still got Buddha's car over there and the brakes have come in, so we're gonna get that put together. I've got Shane's car over here, still need the windshield, and we're gonna put a new Momo steering wheel and hub in there once the windshield goes in. And that car is, yeah. The 1990 CRX is off at the paint shop still though, and hopefully that'll be coming back soon so you guys can check that out too. The 89 CRX is just outside in the rain. Pretty much just gonna wrap up the video here. Thanks for hanging out with us on another one, and until we see you next time,
stay mad.
Yeah, my dude.
Didn't even see it.
That's it. That was it right there. If you can
Really?
say it however you want to say it.